Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do another family recipe, and dirty rice. And there's a lot of rice raised in Arkansas, so we have a lot of rice recipes. The first thing we do, we're going to take a pound of sausage and we're going to brown it. Let me get my stove turned on here. You can use a hot sausage if you want to, but I just decided to use a mild one. I hadn't made this in a while, and I really do like dirty rice. I'm just going to chop this up a little bit where you can brown it. And this is a very easy recipe to do. You brown your sausage and your onions and celery, and then you have to cook it on top of the stove instead of the oven. Now it looks like our sausage is brown enough. We're going to take this out and put it in this little bowl. We have one onion, one bell pepper. I went ahead and cut this up. Now you can cut this up as any way you want to. You may not want it this fine. I like mine cut up pretty fine. But 2 stalks of celery, and you cut it up fine too. Now we just cook this until it's tender. I think our celery and onions and pepper is tender now, so what we're going to do is add our sausage back into this. And then we're going to get our other ingredients in it. This has to cook covered about 45 minutes, and you have to kind of watch it and stir it every once in a while. We're going to add 1 beef bouillon cube. We're going to use 1 can of beef broth. 1 cup of rice. This is raw rice because it has a long time to cook in here when it's long grain rice. I got a can of water chestnuts, and I buy the sliced ones. You can buy whole ones, but then I usually take them out and put them on a cutting board and cut them a little bit smaller. I cut these smaller, but you can cut yours any way you want to. What we do is cover this, and we cook it 45 minutes to an hour. We'll have to check it and see how tender it is. This recipe looks a little dry, and what I'm going to do is add a can of cream of mushroom soup. I'm going to add an extra 8 ounces of beef broth. Now this is optional. You can do whatever you want to, but it looked a little dry to me, so we'll cover that, and I think it's going to be fine. The recipe's finished now for the dirty rice, and I hope you try it, and I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. Thank you for watching.